Today we're going to install radius rod bushings on this 05 GTO. This also is the same part number as the 2006 and 2004 model. This stud sticks out too far for a regular socket to go on. This is a 24mm socket. That was some movement. The 4 nuts that hold this onto the frame use a 13mm socket. Be careful around your fluid line. This swiveling socket head comes in real handy here. A ratcheting box end wrench also makes quick work of it. Alright, now we're going to put in the radius rod bushing. It comes with 2 rubber bushings. They go together but with a plate between them. This is the plate. There's a curved portion that goes on the bottom and the curve faces the back of the car. There are also some alignment washers and you're going to want to put on some of these depending on how you align the car. You're going to use all of them, but some will go on that side of the bushing and some will go on this side of the bushing. However many you use is going to affect your steering axis inclination, and it affects your caster at the same time, so it's a little complicated to do, but the standard setting has thin, thick, thin on the back side and just a thick one on the front side. If you had the rod through there right now, you'd stick this on right now and then slide this side of the bushing onto it. These nuts get tightened to 17 foot-pounds. And no, your eyes aren't deceiving you. These are longer than these for some reason. Don't know why. Alright, we really can't do much else until the radius rod goes in, so let's go do that. Alright, now let's put this radius rod back in. If you're looking at it and you forgot which way it goes, this longer portion goes forward. If you're still not sure, this way avoids the tire. This way comes towards the tire and will rub up against it. Alright, so we're putting on our spacer washers. Then our big main washer. Remember, that's the smaller of the 2 big ones. Now we've got a rubber bushing with the inner part installed. We're back underneath. It's time to put the second half of this rubber bushing on. I'm going to push this on while holding the other side of the radius rod. I'm currently using the nut to press that bushing on, but I'm being careful not to use the nylon part. You want to save that until the final torque. Alright, I've got this nut on just before the threads reach that nylon bit. We're actually not going to come back to this nut until the car is completely assembled and back on the ground. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next Car Simplified video.